Hello, hello, hello. And so, as you can see, I am an internet geek, uh, a geek that lives on the internet, and that is me. Today, we'll be talking about Crowd1. And when you do your research on the company, it seems there's a lot of skeptics about it. So, I decided to join the company and see exactly for myself what it is about. Now, if I am to give you a summary, Crowd1 is a systematic approach towards a modern business where the number of people is equally valuable than the number of euros. Crowd1 has established a business model where average people, without taking huge financial risk, may be able to benefit from the new trends of crowdfunding. Basically, because the company is in the crowdfunding industry, it has an interesting system. The company's product is owner rights. The company therefore sells owner rights. It is a crowd marketing platform that focuses on the gaming industry, which again, I find incredibly interesting. The founder of Crowd1 is a guy who goes by the name of Jonas Werner, and the CEO is Johan Style van Helstein. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but both of these men have quite a history behind them if you do wish to do your research. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine, I get it. You don't want to hear about all the boring details. How do I make money? Well, you see, it's interesting. When you enter the app, you see that there's actually various ways that Crowd1 pays you. First is the Streamline bonus. It says here that the Streamline bonus will pay you just by joining the app. So, just by joining, you will get weekly rewards. The Streamline bonus is based upon which level you are on. As the entire Crowd1 community of members grow, you gain. Everyone counts. Anyone signed up after you increases your Streamline bonus and counts into your Streamline bonus levels. Very interesting. And then we have what they call the education sales bonus. When an affiliate chooses to purchase an educational package, you get rewards starting from a binary bonus of £18 up to £900. Sale gives you a different amount depending on their package and your imbalanced points in the left, right binary leg. You need one personally sponsored member with a paid package in each leg to get payments activated. Crowd1 has the most generous binaries of all time. You'll get paid in full on 1-to-1 balance and 1-to-2 balance and even 1-to-3 balance. And then we have the matching bonus. Matching bonus pays out a percentage based on your personally sponsored teams. Binary bonus. The number of your personally sponsored members and your member package sets the matching level. Now, these levels go from level 1 to 5, and they start from when you have four personally sponsored members underneath your wing, and then it goes to 8, and then it goes to 12, and then 16 and 20 personal members. And as your members increase, so does your bonus. And that is the magic of Crowd1. All you have to do is. And then we have the long term residual income. Crowd1 has the world's strongest long term and residual income bonus that in industry of crowdfunding. It turns each level into profit pools based on sales from the world's largest online markets, these being gaming markets, of course. The only thing that controls your long term income from online products and services is what level you have in the network. If you have built your network in one or only a few countries, you still have passive income from all countries in the world where Crowd1 generates sales. Each level in the network pool of profit parts that generate return based on the turnover of Crowd1 only products. Now, without wasting any more of your precious time, I will conclude this video. Stay tuned for more of my series as I go in depth as to what is possible with Crowd1, how people are making millions of pounds on a daily basis with the app, why I recommend you join the app, as well as why I believe it is revolutionary to what is possible in terms of online marketing and owning a business online. I will leave a link in the description to any of those who are already interested in joining Crowd1. But for now, thank you, enjoy your day, and I will see you next time here on Life Hacks.